Well, Beth, this video is for you because you asked for it. It's summer, you're in DC, I'm in Indy, we're far away, and you can't hear the noises that I make that just make your life just a little bit happier. So I'm making you a video and putting it on YouTube and embarrassing myself in front of the entire internet just to make you happy because I love you. So first, we'll start off with the classic Wookiee. Because they laugh it up, fuzzball. Next, R2-D2 scream. Vader breathing. Baby crying, which Beth actually hates, but I love. A fat kid on a roller coaster. I know, attractive. Raptor from Jurassic Park. And the ever classic, my made up elf. I'm an elf! And we've got the classic Star Wars impressions, Luke. But I wanted to go to the Tashi station and look at power converters. Anakin, all through episode 2. I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm angry, I'm in love, I'm depressed, I'm distressed at the turn of events that my life has taken. And Obi-Wan's reaction, oh Jesus, are you Darth Vader yet? We've got the ever classic Lord of the Rings Gollum.
My precious.
Ritz taters. Boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew. We have Stitch from Lilo and Stitch.
My name is Stitch. This is my family. It is small and broken, but it's still good. Yeah, it's still good. Ohana means family.
The next one is sort of an inside joke, but it's a great magic reference nonetheless. I have 4 land and play and I can't do anything! So Beth, this is for you. I love you. I hope you have a good summer. And one last reference to just send you off smiling.